Hi guys, VST, Velian speaks tech. Welcome back on my channel. I want to present to you the OnePlus 8 from Black Cameo Edition. Yeah. Cameo Edition. Yeah. Cameo Edition, guys. One of the best, I think, skins that you're able to find and buy and apply on your phone. But take a look what happens when I open the phone. Right, I'm just gonna turn it on for you guys. Okay, a very important thing, matching skin. All right, so we have the Black Cameo skin here, and also here we have the very same Black Cameo wallpaper, and I think this is pretty much complementing for this very nice and stylish look. But hey, one thing is missing, guys. You can use rain paper and also apply a raining effect. Okay, now that's a little bit different. I think we have a different story here. What I do, I just dim the amount of fogginess. I don't like to have a foggy screen, right? And just go here, guys, and then just go back and then just press the activate. And you have to appreciate, because I'm just doing this video holding my phone over the balcony with only one hand, and boom, I think now we have really achieved perfection. So here it is, guys. For your viewing pleasure, I am presenting to you again the full-fledged OnePlus 8 Pro, the Black Cameo Edition. Why the Black Cameo Edition? Because boom! And then you can see the very nice and stylish back here, you know, with a skin, and it's not deep brand, by the way, and this video is not sponsored, so I just gave this as a gift from a friend on Telegram. So it's a QKN skin that you can buy from AliExpress. They're not so expensive, guys, but I just do think that it really gives the phone a very nice look. And if you want to complement your skin, it could also be a deep brand skin, right? If you want to complement your skin with a matching wallpaper, I think you can achieve perfection in the very same way that I did. And just take a look at this nice rain dropping here on my phone, guys. Again, one of the best tweaks I've seen here. So if you want to see also how I did here, you know, this specific widget, just make sure that you watch my video on how to really own the OnePlus 8 Pro, right? And again, with the matching wallpaper here and the matching skin on the back, turning it to a really nice piece of art. Alright, short video, guys. Hope that you like it. If that's the case, share it, subscribe to my channel, VST, over and bye.